Hey sexy people, welcome back to the channel. A big hello if you're new. Today we're in Keighley. It's a small little town in West Yorkshire. I'm going to check out Tinker Bridge, which is just through here. So let's do it. So we're going to start that way. Some woods over there. Tinker Bridge is in front of us here on drop. Then drop over there. That's the waterfall. Oh, look at these beautiful horses, haven't they? So we just made it to the halfway point, guys, to this sexy looking bridge here. Beautiful, beautiful. Just like to say, you don't have to actually come this side through the woods. I chose to come the woods starting point, go into Tinker Bridge and then the waterfall. But if you want, you can always just go straight to waterfall or the bridge. You don't have to come through the woods. I just thought I'd give you guys a little insight to what this wood offers. I think it's quite a peaceful walk. Get a lot of dog walkers coming through. There's a lot of different routes you can take as well. It's quite fun, as you can see in video. But yeah, let's crack on with the rest of it. Come across this fallen tree. Stretches right to the other side of the river. Someone's had a little cheeky barbecue. It's one of them disposable trays, isn't it? But tut tut. They hadn't disposed of the barbecue. So, finally made it out of the woods. I present you Tinker Bridge. Beautiful bridge. Well, to be fair, there's not really much about the bridge. It's more about the waterfall, which is just over there, which I'll show you at the final point. But yeah, this is the bridge. Ticked off. So yeah, made it to Waterfall. This is the final part to the video. Lit a sign. Don't be throwing rubbish, guys. I'm watching you. I think someone's lost their crock. This is the waterfall. Locals would jump from here into there. But today, it's looking like there's a bit of a drought. I'm guessing the water had like come rushing over here and then into there, but as you can see, I am sorry about that. I can't do aught about the river system. I'd love it to be flowing nicely. I'd jump in myself, but it's not happening today, guys. We just need a bit of rain to come down, to be fair. Quite a few thousand people have jumped in here, apparently. That's what Google says. So locals obviously love it. The water looks to be a bit dirty looking. I wouldn't really recommend it, but what do you reckon? Would you jump in there? Guys, I'm going to leave it there. I hope you enjoyed this one, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.